male, dark hair, dark eyes, long walks through a park, and a lot of them lies. I'm a little bit jaded by a lot of what I see, so if you're still interested, you should come get at me, cause I'm tired of getting shot down, put down and dissed. I wanna be picked up, held tight and kissed, but things like this don't happen to dudes like me, because I'm more Coldplay than I am Ice-T. They say that good girls love bad guys, and that might be, but a bad girl with a good guy, that's unlikely. So what's a man to do to get to hold hands with you? Do I talk shit and stand to look hard with my crew? I don't know what to do, so I drown in my drink. It helps to numb the pain, cause when I sit and think about it, eyes get clouded, thoughts get crowded. So I'ma sit right here and wait for you to talk about it. And